welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. So I really don't have much planned today, but y'all are welcome to come hang out with me. I was looking around and I want some decorations under the tree because I feel like it just looks naked. And not, I mean, just like presents, you know, faux presents type of decorations. And I was thinking it's already kind of busy over there with the tree and with the picture and all of that. So I think I want to do something really natural looking over there. So yeah, I'm going to wrap some natural looking gifts, but do it in a cute way so it doesn't look so plain. So I'll show you guys how to do that if you're interested. But I have been doing nothing this morning except
washing dishes.
Hush. Yes, washing dishes, cleaning after them constantly, and homeschool. So it is actually afternoon. It is not morning, it is afternoon. Put y'all down. All right, so like I was saying, I have not been doing anything but cleaning up and overseeing homeschool. And if y'all anything like me, y'all over it. I'm so over homeschooling. I'm ready for these kids to go back to school. Of course, we do want everybody to stay safe and stay healthy, so we do what we gotta do. But baby, I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired of, look, I'm a teacher's assistant, cafeteria lady, the janitor. I'm still trying to make videos and oh my God, it's a lot. I'm tired. But anyway, yeah, I'm tired of homeschooling, but that's what we've been doing. So anyway, I'm just gonna finish cleaning up the kitchen. That's what I've been doing in here. All these dishes and stuff. So I'm gonna finish cleaning up the kitchen and then we'll get the stuff that we need and do those presents. So just in case, if you guys are interested in some or looking for some really good stainless steel cleaner, this is what I use. This is Weeman's stainless steel cleaner, and it's good. I love this stuff. I even use it on my glass stove top. So I use it on all the stainless steel and my glass stove top. And you see my stove and microwave both have the black glass, and it works great for both. So I like this a lot. Just saying. So I had somebody send me a message and tell me that they were interested in a self-care, I guess, kind of like self-care skincare routine. And I was just thinking that if it was anything that you guys were interested in, and y'all can tell me, because having to make videos every day, I'm sure some of these days I'm gonna be like, like I don't know what to post. But if y'all had anything that y'all wanted to know or see or wanted me to talk about or explain, anything, if it's, you know, if it's self-care, if it's home decor, whatever, renovating, all of that, just let me know, because like I say, I'm sure I'm gonna need a little help with some content ideas. Y'all, look who came home for lunch. Say hi. It's Vlogmas. Antonio came home for lunch. He never comes home for lunch, but he came home today. I'm always happy to see him when he comes home in the middle of the day. Oh, Daddy bought you McDonald's.
I told you I went to Burger King. How do you go to Burger King, to a restaurant, and they say we have no meat and no ice?
Okay.
And then the girl says, I don't know why we here. My manager won't let us leave.
For real? I mean, what y'all gonna do? No meat, no ice.
Why she felt the need to tell me though?
Because she mad. She wanna get off work.
She just bit the first person she seen, huh?
Pretty much. So I was in the middle of finishing my hair, and then he popped in. So I just wanted y'all to see him. But let me finish getting dressed so we can go get this stuff. All right, so I am finally back from the store. It's already getting dark outside. I cannot stand this time change, but hey, what are you gonna do? Okay, so I'm gonna just show you guys real quick how we're going to make some gifts to go underneath the tree. Not make the gifts, but wrap the gifts to go under the tree. Y'all know what I mean. So if you plan on using these year after year, then you can use some really sturdy boxes, because when you pack them away, you want them to maintain their shape. Or you can do like I'm doing, and this is just a piece of wood. Just a simple, cheap little piece of wood. I think we had it left over from a project or whatever. So I'm gonna use this because it is no way that this is gonna get squished when I go to pack it away. So anyway, you're gonna cut you a piece of paper, kind of like the normal size that you would do when you're wrapping, and then you're going to kind of set it at an angle. So y'all can see this is kind of this is rectangle, so I'm going to set it at an angle. Can y'all, do I need to move the camera? Let me see. Okay, y'all can see the paper now. Y'all, I just want to make sure y'all can see the edge of the paper. So you're going to set it at an angle like so. And then you're gonna get one corner, so your paper is straight, your gift is to the side, kind of at an angle. You're gonna take the corner and you're gonna fold it down like that, okay? So now y'all see it is folded down. And then you're gonna take this other corner here, and the first thing that you have to do is push it in. So you're gonna have to push it in, and then you can just tuck it down like that. So you want to hide that little corner piece. So push it in, tuck it down, and then take this side and bring it over. Just like that. Like that. And then you got your tape. We're going to put our piece of tape right there. Okay? Then you're going to turn it. And we are going to take this side, do the same thing. We're gonna tuck this corner, then that corner tuck it, and then we're gonna hold it right. We're gonna bring this one all the way across. And look, if it comes all the way to the other side like this, is perfectly fine. Just take it and tuck it under like that. No problemo. Or you can, let me show you. Or if you don't want it showing on the other side, because the other side is going to be flat, you can fold it. You can fold it, and then you just got a clean edge right there. And then we're going to take another piece of tape. And I'm actually going to put two right here because this side is kind of long. Alright, and so now you should have a gift that looks like this. So you got a fold right here. Alright, so then you're just going to take your last corner and then you're just going to fold it straight up. That's it. And once you do that, you can kind of tape it right here at the corner. And I'm going to take mine down here on this corner too. And here's a trick that I do. You know when you put tape on and it looks white, just kind of push it down, so then that way it's not so noticeable, and kind of get the paper to show through. So now this is what you have. So now you have a gift that has a pocket here and a pocket here. And then so what I'm going to do to make it look nicer, so I went to the store and I got, this is just cardstock or craft paper, and I really like this one a lot because of the edging. And then all you're going to do is take a piece, and I cut it like this so I can stick it. Turn it around. There we go. So I'm going to take a piece and I'm going to put it right here, And then I actually want this to stick out, so I'm going to tape it to make sure it doesn't fall all the way down. And I'm going to tape it on the back side so the tape does not show. You know what? I skipped a step. Let me do this. I'm going to write on this, and I don't want to try to write on it while it's in there, so I'm going to write on it first. So another thing that I purchased from the store were these little stickers, and these just say Merry Christmas. So I'm just going to take one and put it right at the top, just like that. So now it says, can y'all see that? Ooh. So now it says Merry Christmas across the top. And then I am going to take, if you have a black marker, that would be better. I cannot find my black marker right now, so I'm just gonna write. So in my best penmanship, like that, that's it, Antonio. And now I'm going to take it with a piece of tape on the back, and I'm going to put it right inside there, just like that. See? Now that says Antonio. And then lastly, just find you some stems. These were these actually came in a bunch like this. It was like $2 for this bunch, but you know it's several pieces in there, so I just split them apart. So take you a stem, add you a stem in there, and we can tape that down too. And the pocket isn't so tight, so you can actually lift it up and tape that stem down on the inside. And now you have you a nice gift with a stem and name. Yes, it looks cute. And so I use this long piece of board. You can do this with any size. So if you have smaller boxes, it'll look really good too, or smaller boards, it'll look really good. So yeah, it's real simple. So it's just basically gift wrapping with pockets, pretty much. I mean, if you wanted to, you could have put something in this one too, but I just like it at the top right there. So I'm gonna do a couple of these boxes and put them underneath the tree, and then I will show you guys how it looks. I'll probably show you tomorrow because it's getting kind of late, and I want to go ahead and edit this so I can get this up today. So, but thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you are enjoying this Vlogmas, then make sure you let somebody else know about it. Send them over here, and then we can all hang out together, you know. All right, I'll see y'all tomorrow.